Okay guys, my name is Dylan with Pinky's Iron Doors. I'm behind the camera, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your lock plates like this. Sometimes they get some Bondo in there or some foams. We get a lot of questions on how to take it out and fix it. So I'm just going to basically show you how to make this a clean square because right now it is not. So let's get right into it. So really the first thing I'm going to do is try to determine what exactly it is. It seems like it's foam. I'm just poking it. So it's not Bondo, it's just foam. What we're going to do is gently recreate that outline with this razor. You won't be able to see this spot right here, but yeah. There's kind of the outline. Be careful when using any tool to do this. I'm using a razor because it's the most precise thing I can use. Okay, so now that I have my outline, it's pretty clean, pretty smooth. Let me get a tool to break apart this. So what I'm going to be using to do that, just a flathead and a little hammer. Make sure you outline it first so it doesn't chip into the actual paint. But we're just going to try to get the bulk out of there. Take it slow. See as it coming out. You can see the original lock plate hole now. Just take it real slow. Clear it up with a smaller tool, fingernail, whatever you got. And that is how you clean out the lock plate. Just use the razor, outline it so it doesn't chip into the paint somehow. You sort of create that boundary. So the screw's back on, everything's good again. The lock plate's flat, everything's fine. It's all squared and clean, ready for a lock plate. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.